Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Kenshi mods using Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see several menu options there. Hover your mouse over the one that says Community. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear with various community features. From this menu, go ahead and select Workshop. This is Steam's hub for user-created content and modifications for all supported games. Now you'll be taken to the Steam Workshop page. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice a search bar. Click on it and type in Kenshi. As you type, you'll see search results start to populate below. Look for the official Kenshi game listing in these results and click on it. This will take you directly to the Kenshi Workshop page where all available mods for the game are displayed. At this point, you'll be able to browse through all the Kenshi mods that the community has created. Take your time looking through the different options available. You can scroll through the pages to see what modifications interest you, whether they're gameplay enhancements, visual improvements, or new content additions. Each mod will have a description, images, and user ratings to help you decide which ones you want to try. Once you've found a mod that catches your interest and you'd like to install, click on it to open its detailed page. Here you'll see more information about what the mod does and how it changes your game experience. When you're ready to add this mod to your game, simply click the subscribe button. This tells Steam that you want this mod added to your Kenshi installation. Here's the great part. After you click subscribe, Steam automatically downloads the mod in the background. You don't need to manually download files or move anything to specific folders. Steam handles the entire installation process for you, and the mod will be ready to use the next time you launch Kenshi. The Workshop integration makes the whole process seamless and hassle-free. And that's it, you've successfully installed Kenshi mods through the Steam Workshop. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.